a fun one for you today. It's called one leg 180's. Show you what it's all about. You get onto slack line, starting pretty close to the anchor point, and you're gonna come up for progression 1 onto your dominant leg. From here, we're gonna finish by ending, our chest is gonna face the opposite anchor point. But to do so, we're gonna stall in exposure. The goal is to maintain this floating leg floating the whole time. Looks like this. We're gonna push down into the line, and when it pushes us back up, we're gonna spin to the left. Holding here for a moment, and then we're gonna do the same thing, push down into the line and push to the left. Your foot doesn't finish. It's kind of turned out to the side. From here, depending on how your foot's landed, you're gonna put weight into the heel and move the toes, and then put weight into the toes to move the heel. You can also do that the other way. Put weight into the toes, move the heel, weight into the heel, move the toes. Depends. From here, we want to get back to where we started. Pushing down into the line, shifting, pushing down into the line. Actually, from here, I realize it's easier if you shift the foot just a little bit. I'm trying to get onto the ball mount. So I'm turning my foot already so that I can press down and finish. You're gonna do that 3 to 5 times, depending on how quickly your leg gets tired. I'll demo it one more time. Pressing down into the line, shifting to the left. Pressing down into the line, shifting to the left. Finishing by fixing the foot and then going back. Pressing down, shifting the foot, trying to get that ball mount on so that we can spin on it. Pressing down. Don't have the ball mount on enough. And shifting. So that's progression 1, dominant side. Doing it 3 to 5 times or until your leg gets tired. Come down, give yourself a little shake off, rest. Progression 2, you're gonna do the same thing, non-dominant side. For me, that's my left leg. All the same rules apply. You're gonna press down into the line. This time I'm shifting to the right. Pressing down into the line, shifting to the right. Gotta fix the foot. Pressing down into the toes for me this time to shift my heel. Then pressing down into the heel. Make sure I get those toes on the line. Now I wanna make my way back. Shift the foot a little. Boom. Okay, that was once. I'll try to do it one more time. The goal is 2, 3, 5 times until the leg gets tired. All right, you get the idea. Now, the hard part's progression 3. I'm still working on this one, so let's see if we can do it. Again, progression 1, dominant side. Progression 2, non-dominant side. Progression 3, pick your dominant or non-dominant, but I suggest playing with both of them. I'm gonna start with the dominant side. My goal is to not pause in exposure. So we're gonna try to do the one leg 180's all the way around without the pause. From there, I gotta get a big push down into the line, and I'm gonna twist my shoulders and my hips a lot to the left. So when you're on your right foot, you go towards the left. When you're on the left foot, you go towards the right. Here's what it looks like. Let's hope I can do it. All right, so you saw how I got all the way around, but my foot stays here. It gets to that position where I have to, shift my weight and move my foot. That's okay, as long as you get everything around, you can adjust your foot. Try it again. Boom, so I got it all the way around. Now I just have to adjust my foot. Pressing into the toes. Boom. Now, trying to get back. Hey, we all got to work on something. That's progression 3. Send us your videos. Send us any questions you might have at SLACKROBATS@gmail.com. Check us out on Instagram. We have weekly challenge every Monday.